Good morning, children. Today we are going to do worksheet 4, unit 4. Why the poem name and Alice in Wonderland. So, dear children, shall we start? Okay. We are going to do the grammar first. Change the adjectives in the sentence to their opposite. Now what we have to do? Remember opposite. What are opposites are? Big, small, long, short, fat, thin, black, white. Okay. So like this way opposite we have to find it out and we have to write the correct answer. Okay children. So shall we start? Yes. One number. The sky was dark. What is the question? The sky was bright. What is the question? The sky was bright. Now what is the opposite of bright? I have written over here dark. Now what you have to do? You have to rewrite the sentence children. क्या करना है आप लोगों को? आपको सेंटेंस फिर से लिखना है और फिर इसका ऑपोजिट लिखना है फिर से दोबारा. So the sky was bright. Answer is the sky was dark. What is the answer over here? D-A-R-K, dark. The sky is dark. The sky is dark. Next, we met a fat dog in the narrow street. Now over here children you can see F-A-T, fat. So we have to write the opposite of fat, and N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow. So we have to write the opposite of narrow. So shall we start? Yes, we met a fat dog in the narrow street. 2 number. We met a thin. What is the fat opposite? Thin. Dog in the narrow opposite is wide. Wide street. We met a fat dog in the narrow street. We met a thin dog in the wide street. 3 number. The dog was careless. Now we have to find the opposite of careless and wrote wrong answers. We have to find the opposite of careless and wrong. Okay, so we'll read the answer. The boy was careful. Careless का क्या है opposite? Careful. And wrote, wrong की जगह पे right answer we have written. The opposite of wrong is right. So over here what we have done? Careless we have used careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful. And over here for wrong we have used R-I-G-H-T, right. Same with 2 number. We have used F-A-T, fat is the question, and in answer we have written thin, T-H-I-N, thin. And narrow ka we have written wide, W-I-D-E, wide. Okay, so we'll read the sentences again children. Change the adjectives in the sentences to their opposite. The sky was bright. So 1 number, the sky was dark. We met a fat dog in the narrow street. We met a thin dog in the wide street. The boy was careless and wrote wrong answers. The boy was careful and wrote right answers. Now we'll go to the next page. Complete the sentences by using the adjectives correctly. What we have to do? Complete the sentences by using the adjectives correctly. Now 1 number. Over here final is there. Over here what is there? Final. We have to use in the sentence. So this is the final call for the passenger, right? And other final, how will you write? This call is final. This call is final. 2 number. Now we take O-L-D, old. So the old woman suddenly turned into a magician. The magician was old too. What is the sentence of old? We have made 2. The old woman. How was the woman? The woman was old and suddenly turned into magician, and the magician was old 2 and the magician was old 2. 3 number. We climbed on the tall camel. The camel were really tall. Now, when you climbed on the camel, how was the camel tall? And usually the camel are tall. So what will you say? We climbed on the tall camel and the camel were really tall. Complete the sentences by using the adjectives correctly. First, this is the final call for the passenger. This call is final. 2 number. The old woman suddenly turned into a magician. The magician was old. 2. 3 number. We climbed on the tall camel. The camel were really tall. We'll go to the next page. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is the boy in the poem described as? We are doing the poem Why. And you remember, children, there was a little boy like you and he was always curious about it. क्यों ऐसा होता है, क्यों वैसा होता है, ऐसा क्यों वैसा क्यों, right? So he wanted to know the reason of each and every question of why and why. So we'll do the question answers. So what is the boy in the poem described as? The boy in the poem is described as curious. The boy in the poem is described as curious. 2 number. Describe the rabbit that Alice saw. Describe the rabbit that Alice saw. Alice ने क्या देखा? Rabbit देखा, right? तो हमें describe करना है वो rabbit कैसा है. The rabbit was white with pink eyes and he was wearing a blue coat. Rabbit कैसा था? The rabbit was white, सफ़ेद था. उसकी आइज़ कैसी थी? गुलाबी गुलाबी, that is pink eyes. And he was wearing a blue coat. और क्या पहना था उसने? Blue coat. Number 3. Name 3 things that sink in water. Sink यानी जो float नहीं करती, जो पानी में बैठ जाती है. So answer stone, marble and key. ये 3 चीज़ें हैं जो sink होती है पानी के अंदर. 4 number. Could Alice go into the garden? Why? 4th number answer. Alice could not go into the garden. Alice garden में जा सकती थी? नहीं. Because the door was too small. Could Alice go into the garden? Why? So Alice could not go into the garden because the door was too small. Door क्या था? वो बहुत ही छोटा था एलिस के लिए. वो रैबिट के साइज़ का था, राइट? और एलिस तो काफ़ी बड़ी थी, तो वो गार्डन में नहीं जा सकी. क्वेश्चन 5. व्हाट डज द बॉय वांट टू नो अबाउट द विंड. जो बच्चा है वो विंड के बारे में क्या जानना चाहता है? तो व्हाट डज द बॉय वांट टू नो अबाउट द विंड. द बॉय वॉन्ट्स टू नो वाई विंड शुड ब्लो. हवा क्यों चलती है? ओके, सो वंस अगेन वी विल रीड, चिल्ड्रन. Answer the following question. What is the boy in the poem described as? The boy in the poem is described as curious. Describe the rabbit that Alice saw. The rabbit was white with pink eyes and he was wearing a blue coat. Name 3 things that sink in water: stone, marble and key. Could Alice go into the garden? Why? Alice could not go into the garden because the door was too small. 5. What does the boy want to know about the wind? The boy wants to know why wind should blow. So dear children, please do this worksheet with neat and good handwriting in your notebook. Thank you.